All right, guys, check it out. I'm going to go through this really quick, the Van Dorn Nutrition Accountability Sheet and how you should use it to reach your goals. So got this right here for you guys. So off to the side, we've got some other resources like our group Discord, Nutrition e-folder, my app on there, some workout programs, free nutrition guide on there. I'm going to actually plug the a sheet for the nutrition training program on there for you guys to access. And obviously the link, I'm going to link the video there. But yeah, the sheet is actually super simple. It's basically the same concept that I use with all of my clients, and just like things to tracking the data is always how you're going to reach your goals, especially if your goal is to like lose body fat or build muscle. So first off, tracking your body weight in the morning. This is how you're going to be able to kind of find out where your maintenance calories are at, and so that you know if you're in a deficit or if you're in a maintenance or a surplus. So basically if you're gaining weight or losing weight. Got to track your body weight every single morning. Basically do this before you eat or drink anything, after you use the restroom, first thing in the morning, like after you go pee or whatever. And then log that, and then every 7-day period you can kind of look at the average and see, like from 7 days to 7 days, you'll be able to know if you're going up in weight, down in weight, or staying the same weight. And that's how you know if you're in a deficit, a maintenance, or a surplus. If you want to lose weight, you got to be in a deficit. You want to gain weight, you got to be in a surplus. If you want to stay the same, you'd be a maintenance. So and then here's just a little spot you can just type in like your workouts or whatever. So let's just say today's here, I was 193.6. boom, easy as that. And then what you guys can do, you can just make a copy of this sheet. And you should just be able to file, make a copy right here, and it should be good to go, and then save it as your own, and then you can edit it and everything. So and then the workout, you can just log like today I ran 4.9 miles and back workout or something like that. You can just log it in there, and then calories consumed, and you can obviously play around with this if you want to make it a little bit wider. You can once you make a copy. So really easy. Calories consumed on the day, let's just say 3,200. You can always add columns too if you want to track more data, but like protein, let's just say like 237 grams. Hours of sleep, 7 hours of sleep. Did you hit your step goal? You can either put your steps in here, or you can just put like yes or whatever it is that you want to do. Super simple. And then over time you'll be able to like obviously see your weight, see your workouts. You can always reflect and go back and see what's going on, see what you did for your workout, see how much you were eating, see how much protein you're getting in your macros, and then journal just like how the day went, like what went well, what went bad. Felt good on run, bad lift, or something like that, or like did not meal prep or eat well, like whatever it is. And you can kind of go back and look and see why you're having an issue with your body weight or why you weren't reaching your goals. You can go and see like what was going on and what was happening. So journaling and tracking the data, the progress, documenting everything is going to help a ton with your fitness goals. And basically to reach your goal, you'll look at your calories to find out what your maintenance calories is, because that's what a huge key for this. Say if you're eating 30, if this averages out over like a 2-week period, and it averages out to like 3,000 or something, and then your body weight stayed the same over that entire period of time, like you averaged out, you were 193, and then after the average you're still 193 here, and then after the next 7 days you're still like 193, then you know that you're at the activity that you're doing and the calories that you're eating, the types of food that you're eating, your maintenance calories are at 3,000. So if you wanted to lose weight, you would have to decrease your calories or increase your activity. Obviously, if your weight was coming down and your average calories were 3,000, then that means you're already in a deficit, and your maintenance calories are a little bit higher than that, and 3,000 is a deficit for you. And if you didn't want to lose weight, you would have to bump up your calories or decrease your activity. Hope that kind of helps. Hope you guys get good use out of this. Feel free to drop a comment below, shoot me a message, email, and I would love to help you guys out. Let's dial.